Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to download Unity from Unity Hub. So first open this link. You can find this link in the description of the video, and then you can see here there is a button named Download Unity Hub. So if you click on it, it will simply start downloading the Unity Hub. So after downloading this, you have to run this setup and install the Unity Hub at the desired location. After installation, it will look something like this. So this is the interface of the Unity Hub. You can see here Unity Hub 2.0.2. So there is a project tab. It contains all the projects that you will be making. There is a learn tab. It contains some tutorials and some assets that you can download from here. And there is an install tab. So after downloading this, you have to go to the install tab, and here you can install the different kind of Unity version in the Unity Hub. So to install any Unity version, you have to select on the add. Here you can see several Unity versions like 2021.1, Unity 2020, and I recommend for the starting to use Unity 2018.4 or Unity 2019.4 because they are the stable releases, that is the LTS. So if you want more feature, of course you can move on to 2020 or 2021, but they are still not stable and there might be some bugs. So click any one of them. So for the demo purpose, I am going to select 2019.4 and clicking on the next button. Here you can see there are several things that you can add, several modules that you can add. So if you want to build it for Android, if you want to build your games for Android, you have to take this Android build support. If you want it for iOS, you can take this. Similarly, there are several things. If you want to build it for web, you can use the WebGL build. If you want for Windows, there is a Windows support also. So I recommend to go with Windows as well as Android. And then if you click on done, and if we click on the done, you can see here it is going to install Unity 2019.4. I already have it, so I will just cancel this. So well, if you install it, after that it will appear over here. Then you have to go to the projects. In the projects, you have to click here in the new. Here you can select out of all the Unity versions which you want to select. So I will go with the Unity 2019.4. Okay, so here there are several templates, like you can select 2D, 3D, 3D with HDRP or URP. So I'm going to simply select 3D because inside that, using the package manager, you can install all the other things that you need. So I'm just going to select 3D, and I will give the project name something as like first project. Okay, that's a silly name. So I will like this. Okay. So after that, I will click on create. Then we have to wait for around 2-3 minutes, and then it will create the project. So here we are, our project is successfully created, and we can see here there is a scene view, there is a game view. So I will give you a brief information about all these tabs. So in the scene view, you can see we can move around, we can add some object, we can create and manipulate objects. So basically all of the stuff that we will be doing will be in the scene view, and in the game view we can see how our game looks inside the game view through our camera. Another tab is the hierarchy. It contains all the game object that is currently in our scene view. Like for example, the main camera is here and the directional light is here. So if you click on any of the object, you can see here there is an inspector tab. It gives you details of all the stuff that are inside this game object. Like in the main camera, there is a transform, there is a camera script attached, there is an audio listener. So you can find a bunch of stuff related to that game object inside the inspector. Also, there is a project tab. Inside this, we can get the whole project structure for our game. So there is an asset folder. Inside this there will be several folders. Like for example, we can also click on assets and right click, and then in the create we can click on the folder. So for demo purpose I am just creating a script named folder. You can see it appears over here. So you can put your scripts over here. In the scenes you can see there is a scene tab. So that is basically everything related to installing Unity and some basic stuff. And in the next video we will see how to create terrain using all the assets that I have told in my previous video. So please subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss our next video, and please share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.